Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy day for this one. Big gap down and then continued to bleed. And then again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Big volume came pouring in, and you got a nice green candle. So does this mean that this is the start of something bigger? Potentially, but by no means is that a guarantee. So don't misconstrue what I'm saying. I'm not saying that just because there's big volume and a green candle the final 30 minutes that, hey, on next week this thing's back up to $12. Not saying that, but no doubt about it, the bulls definitely closed out the week strong with the big volume and the price. And this makes a little bit more sense when we squeeze up the chart here, which brings about our kind of first key level of support. And that level is, I think I actually just did the eyeball test, so hopefully I didn't misspeak here. But yeah, right here at right around the $9.05, $9 mark, whatever you want to call it, you can see that this was, after this nasty move here, basically the lowest it's been in a whole long time. And the last time it was down here, you can see a big move happen. Now, again, just because a big move happened last time, I'm not saying that this thing's headed up to $12. But it is a very important level of support, so it's good to see that the bulls did indeed act as support like it did here back in the past. So $9, $9.05, if you want to just call it kind of a range, definitely a key area of support for that very reason. I mean, if the price doesn't hold above there, let's see. Yeah, if the price doesn't hold above that, then that implies that the price is literally put in lows that haven't been seen, for who knows how long. But again, to give credit where credit's due, the price not only held, but heck, got a nice bounce from it, which we've already talked about. Now, if this bounce continues, where are some of these levels of resistance that they're going to need to be broken? So let's zoom back in here and talk about some potential hurdles for the bulls, if this bounce does indeed continue. Initial hurdle that's going to need to be crossed right here at the $9.30 mark. If $9.30 can be broken, next key point up there at, we'll call it $9.70. So $9.30, $9.70, two key areas of resistance. Like I said, very interesting way to close out the week. And I guess now that I stop and think about it, close out the end of the year. So happy new year to all. But interesting close, and we'll have to just sit back and see if this is, some sort of leading indicator about what's to come next week. So we shall see. One of the most common questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.